Hey there. Are you struggling to resolve your daily Cash App withdraw money issues? Fear not, because in this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step solutions to ensure smooth and seamless transactions with your Cash App. Fixing daily Cash App withdraw money problems doesn't have to be a hassle. Let's dive into practical solutions that can help you get back on track quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Check your account balance. The first step in resolving daily Cash App withdraw money issues is ensuring you have sufficient balance in your account to cover the withdrawal. Open the Cash App on your device and view your available balance at the top of the screen. Don't forget to consider pending transactions that might temporarily reduce your accessible funds. If your balance is lower than expected, review your transaction history for any overlooked expenses. Step 2. Verify your Cash Card. Your Cash Card needs to be active and linked correctly for successful withdrawals. Click on the Cash Card icon on the app's home screen to review your card's status. If it's not activated, follow the provided prompts to activate your card. Ensure that your Cash Card is linked to an active bank account or debit card for transfer purposes. Double-check card details to prevent errors. Step 3. Update app and device. Outdated software can cause unexpected glitches. To fix daily Cash App withdraw money problems, always use the latest version of the Cash App and keep your device updated. Visit the App Store or Google Play Store and verify whether updates are available. Restart your device post-update to enable any new features or fixes to function correctly. Step 4. Connection check. Verify that your device is connected to a stable internet connection, whether through Wi-Fi or mobile data. Poor connectivity might hinder the app's functions, leading to failed transactions. Switch networks if necessary, and try closing and reopening the app or restarting your device to refresh connections. Step 5. Review withdrawal limits. Cash App has specific daily and weekly withdrawal limits that might restrict your transactions. Navigate to the profile icon and select Personal to view these limits. Tripwires like large withdrawals that exceed these limits can trigger issues. If needed, verify your identity within the Cash App to increase these limits. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this process smoothly. Step 6. Contact Cash App support. If you've followed the aforementioned steps and still face challenges with daily Cash App withdraw money processes, reaching out to Cash App support is your next best step. Navigate to Profile and then Cash Support within the app. Explain your issue in detail to receive tailored advice. Don't hesitate to use their phone support for immediate assistance. Resolving issues with daily Cash App withdraw money is crucial for maintaining financial fluidity. Whether you're checking your balance, updating the app, or contacting support, these steps will guide you towards a resolution. Remember, consistent monitoring and application updates are key to avoiding future problems. By following this comprehensive guide, enjoy stress-free withdrawals and focus on what matters most, leveraging your Cash App with confidence.